Now we are here in Budaiya. Budaiya. We want to take, but they are my friends. Yeah, this Filipino food you eat. You try. I eat your food, you eat your food. Yeah. Nice. Only 13 minutes. I will. Say hi.
Hi. Welcome to our vlog.
Yes. This is Sajid, our driver, and this is the husband and her husband and her daughter. Now you are ready? Ready to have bath there. Laika, take this one. You are the one who cuts this one. Who's that?
YouTuber.
Cuts Laika, like this. Because there is here you can see like, okay? Yeah. Hi, welcome to my vlog. Benny 56 vlog. Who's the hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa akin? Subscribe na kayo. Hi, say hi. Come.
Hello.
Talk to my vlog.
Hi.
Very handsome. Very handsome. And his brother and her mother. Hi. Laka will go there. Wait for me. Go. No, I want to change my hijab. Or else I will borrow this hijab after. Give to me,
No problem.
I will use this one,
Yeah, no problem.
Because I will use this one in the water now. Because that one is for towel. Okay? Because I don't have hijab. This one I will use it now. I will use this one,
Yeah, no problem. Mauri.
Halika na!
Halika na. എന്തേ ബീച്ചിന്റെ പേര്?
You make it for us video,
Yeah.
Like
Go
only
and
14
enjoy.
minutes. Only 14 minutes here. You can see here. Yeah. Here. You can see this one here. Only 14 minutes, I know 13 minutes.
Okay, then after I close.
Close. You just put this one, chick, finish. Okay, yun lang. ശരി.
Okay, vlog.
അതാരത് ലൈറ്റ് കത്തിച്ചിട്ട്
അവരങ്ങ് എന്നിട്ട് എന്താ പറഞ്ഞു? മോളെ ഇങ്ങനെ പിടിയിടി. അല്ല അവള് വിളിക്കുന്നു അടച്ചനേട്ടാ. ശരി അങ്ങോട്ട്